friends, welcome to Technical Trends YouTube channel. I am Dharma. In this week we are going to see Nifty and Bank Nifty's technical predictions for third week of August 2020, which is from the Monday 17th till Sunday 23rd August 2020. So friends, let's see where the Nifty is going to head in this week, up or down. So we have seen Friday intraday blip around 255 points. So is that going to crash Nifty? Stock market is going to go down. So let's find out. Friends, one more thing, that last week I made one video for gold and silver because there was a big fall in gold and silver, and through that video I have mentioned that I'm going to give you one more video in the weekend, that whether gold is going to go up or down. So stay tuned to our channel to know more about these gold, silver levels and Nifty levels. So stay tuned with our channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you will not our latest videos. And if you like this video, please give a thumbs up and share among your friends and family. So let's straight away jump into Nifty chat pattern. See friends, here we can see here a big fall from high of 11,365 till the low of 11,110. Friends, the market has opened with a gap up. This was the level on Thursday. Nifty closed, it opened straight away here. I think 300 till opening 340, around 45 points gap up. It went up, and during intraday after I think 3.5 hours, straight away there was a big collapse. So that was about 255 points, but by the end of the day we can see recovery of around 65 points. Okay, so is it going to be big fall? Is going to lead to big fall in the markets? So we will be finding that one soon. You can see here I have drawn already couple of trend lines. One is from this level to this. If I connect this low and this low, you can see that is here around 11,100 range. At the same time, from the bottom of March and mid of May all the way up here. See, here you can see that breaking of this trend line. So is it going to lead to another correction? I don't think so, that because these sort of things will come and go intraday, but it will not affect, because the major trend is uptrend. And why this fall has happened? So it is happened due to S&P 500. See friends, S&P 500 has reached a previous high. Okay, so I have been telling that it will go to 3,400. So when it reaches anything to previous highs, straight away it will not cross that highs. So here it may take some time to go past this upside or down, that we will be seeing very soon. If we see this one S&P 500 in hourly, so at this stage 3 candles, very big candles. The same time, I mean same time in the sense, at the time of these candles price action time, our Nifty was in action, in the sense that was our trading hours. So this was US 500 was trading in futures. Actually that time New York Stock Exchange wasn't open, so it's out of hours. Futures fell, so at that time Nifty was in trading hours. So friends, here we can see the fall at the same time, and after that our market closed, but S&P 500 continued. You can see this trend again reversing upside. Again it fell bit of from there, you can see, and bounce back. This reflected in our SGX Nifty that showed around 80 points gain, compared with Friday's closing, Nifty's closing. So I think by the end of the day it was showing a positive 60 points in upside, so it shows that it's not really a big hurdle for Nifty. And one more thing in the market, people are saying that is it going to be double top? So I can say that it looked like double top, but double top rules are different. But in short term also it can make any index or stocks can make double tops or double bottoms or triple top or triple bottom. But here, as we are in uptrend, and these things, I show you. So here you can see this trend line trend is straight away up, and we have seen already a correction in Nifty couple of weeks before to 10,880 levels, so where it took 100% support, where 200 DMA was there. Now I'm not expecting that level soon. If at all, if it has to go to that level, means it has to close below 11,100 level, then we can expect to see that 10,900. So in case 10,900 is going to break, if it breaks next week or week after, then we can see big fall in Nifty as well. But I'm not expecting in Nifty this kind of fall. So make use of any small blip in Nifty to buy. So friends, if you like any stocks or anything, or more, or if you want to add more, you can add in this kind of levels. So friends, last week levels I have given 11,265 or 11,340, or even beyond that 11,460 or 500. So it went up to 350-60 levels, you can see here, and downside 11,130 or 150, or if it goes below 11,000 or 11,050 levels I've mentioned. So you can see here the same 11,130 acted as absolute support and bounced back yesterday. So friends, in this week the levels are like these upside levels, please make note of these levels for this week, and you can buy accordingly. If any bounce towards lower levels, absolutely you can buy. 11,220 or 250 going to be first resistance, and second resistance will be at 11,360, and third one is going to be 11,480 or 500. So make note of these levels, friends, upside. If it crosses 11,350 or 360 closing basis, then we can expect further highs. And downside levels are like 11,110 or 30. If it breaks, friends, we can see further lower levels, which are to 11,000 or 10,900. If this level breaks downside, then we can expect big fall, Okay, that I am not expecting soon. Okay, so make note of these levels, friends, upside and downside levels of Nifty. So friends, let's see Bank Nifty levels. So hope you have noted all these figures. Bank Nifty uh, it has performed better than Reliance. We compare with Reliance. So friends, you can see here clearly it's like 1 2 3, it's like a head and shoulder. Okay, head and shoulder down. So friends, if this 21,000 breaks downside, we can see further fall. I've been telling this level since few weeks. Here, here, and again here. 21,000 is going to act as major support. If it breaks, we can expect 1,000 or more than that. So friends, here Bank Nifty levels are going to be like this. If we see last week levels, 21,960 have mentioned, so that surpassed, and up to 22,350 have mentioned. So you can see the high levels of Bank Nifty up to 400 levels, and the downside levels have given as 21,370. You can see that also here. In between only Bank Nifty traded last week. This week levels, what I am expecting is upside levels. Upside is resistance 1 would be 21,850, or 2 is going to be 22,050, or 3 is going to be 22,250 or 260 range. So these are going to be resistance levels for Bank Nifty. And the downside, friends, downside levels are support 1 is at 21,300, and another major support which is going to be 21,000, and below which you can see further fall. Please make note of these figures, friends. I think by seeing my previous weekly videos or daily videos, the levels which I am giving, they are working absolutely 95% correct. So if you track our history, you may find these things. So if you want to get benefit from our predictions, you please follow, make note of these levels, Nifty, Bank Nifty, whatever stocks, Reliance, S&P, whichever, please make note of them and try to follow. Wherever the levels I try to tell you to buy, you make use of them, those levels, and buy them and get benefited. And friends, I am going to finish here. If you like this video, give a thumbs up and share among your friends and family. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe and press the bell icon for our all updated videos, latest videos. If you haven't joined in our free Telegram channel, please join for our regular updates. So friends, see you in our next video. Till then, take care. Bye.